guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a 1 carry-on, 10 completely different looks type of video. So kind of like my capsule wardrobe videos, kind of like my packing videos. I'm going to show you guys an overview of what I pack, how I wear things, and why I bring the things I do. This is strictly more outfit based. If you guys want to see what products I bring and stuff like that, I could do a separate video on that, but let me know if you like this whole packing series and packing kind of videos by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys want to follow me on all of my adventures, you can check it out at my Instagram, just RachSpeed, just like my YouTube. Anyways, we're going to get straight to the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this one. So guys, this is not a sponsored video, but I just wanted to show you guys the luggage that I've been carrying. Away sent Dylan and I matching luggage, and we're just obsessed with them. We love them. They come with a built-in charger. They are totally sick. With the Away regular size carry-on, I'm just opening it, and inside there are 2 compartments. I am deciding to bring 4 pairs of pants, 1 pair of denim, joggers for chilling, a pair of white shorts because I think they're cute, as well as a pair of cutoffs for the plane. I'm also bringing 5 different tops, just a few basic tees, as well as a turtleneck, like kind of sleeveless top, as well as a long sleeve thermal. I'm gonna have a little like checklist graphic for you guys to check out. It's gonna be on my Pinterest if you guys want to see it. I'm also bringing 1 dress, 1 jumpsuit, as well as my pajamas. And then on the other side, I'm actually using this little compartment for my shoes, so I'm just bringing a pair of Converse, my Gucci loafers, as well as my sandals. This Harvard sweater is my favorite sweater of all time, and I'm going to be wearing it on the plane. And then I'm just packing my curling irons, some other toiletries, my hat, etc., etc. So that is the basics of my wardrobe. Obviously, there are socks and undies and stuff like that, but that is everything. Outfit 1 is the plane outfit. Absolutely obsessed. I always bring a sweater for the plane because it's always cold. I love sleeveless turtlenecks. I think they really make you look so chic. An all white look is so necessary for a spring or summer vacay. This is such a great look for on the go, and I'm obsessed with it right now. This polka dot dress is super fun and trendy, and you can also wear it from day to night. You just have to put on a strappy heel and you are good to go. And then the last is my departing plane outfit. Bye! So I hope you guys enjoyed my packing with me / how many outfits you can maximize in a carry-on type of video. So leave me a comment down below and let me know what your packing essential is. I'm always trying to find new things that I can bring on the go with my travels and stuff like that. And without further ado guys, I am going to go, but I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys!